Here we are. Right in here. Wow. Yeah, it is totally flooded up in here. I could walk like right there last year. Yeah, I was walking. Oh, this is dry land. So I guess we're gonna go scout a little bit and see what's up. I could definitely camp here. It's just a matter of how easily I can fish where I want to fish. It's getting so late that I don't have a lot of options right now. Let's take the woods and see if we can clear a route to where I want to fish. Definitely gonna need bug spray back here. Holy crap. This is actually looking very promising up here. Actually gets clearer the closer I get to where I want to fish. Heck, I could even put my tent up here if I cleared it enough. I'm getting more excited the closer I get here. I'm actually gonna be able to fish this spot better from here. Yeah, look at that. Drop baits right underneath that log. The things we do to catch fish and put it back in the water. Yep, this is where I'm camping. Camp up there where I cleared some spots to get down to this log here. There's gotta be some flatties in here. If not, some large channels like last year. There, I got me 3 spots to cast. Put one rod down in here, one rod right here, and one rod right there. Last time I was casting from that spot right there. I could walk along there and I was casting right off there. Let's see, what's the best way to go about getting my stuff here? I think, I don't know. The spot to land it up here. It's all steep banks. Oh, I could totally land my canoe here. It's a lot closer. Yeah, there we go. Camping and fishing spot over there. Bring the kayak in here. I think that's the most work I've ever put in clearing a fishing spot. Boy, drops off right here. Interesting. Trying to get all the crap out of here. Alright, first things first. Get at least one bait rod out. Get another bait rod thrown out. Dude, I literally chucked this right close to shore. Something started swimming with it and shredded it. Right between this log and shore. I don't think you can see the log, but I'm pretty sure you can see shore. Yep, there it is. Got it. And I got a snag. But, oh, Dude, if I could pull these things out like that and fill my bait. In business, folks. There is flathead candy. Need to get water in this bucket. Oh, if bait is hitting like that, I might not get camp set up. Got a fish, yeah. What is this? I have to go down here. My foot can fall through anywhere down here. It's just brush, it's not land. More dinner? Feels like a bass. Nope, just a drum. But you know what? Until I get more panfish, he's gonna get saved for bait. Well, folks, I got the kayak unloaded. Kayak's tied up secure. This turned out actually better. I like this better than last year. Other than logs being right where I got to reel in. I mean, catfish should be there. It's just a matter of getting them over them logs. But this is what camp looks like not set up. Might look like a lot of stuff, but it is actually a lot of stuff. But when you're out here for 8 days, didn't get any more bluegill. That was one starving bluegill or something hanging out down there. But I got a drum, so I'll put that bluegill out live, and then I'll cut up the drum and throw him out on my other 2 catfish rods. Got a fish on the bait rod. Feels like another drum. Yep, it's another drum. One of my rigs, I have 2 hooks on 80-pound monofil, or 80-pound fluorocarbon with a float. So I kind of want to stick that bluegill on, and the float should keep him up so that he'll keep struggling, so that he'll attract the big ones. Yeah, that's the plan. And I've never used a rig like this with 2 hooks, so I guess we'll see how it works. Alrighty, so what I did, stuck 1 hook there, 1 hook there, and I did not throw him very far out there. This is where I caught catfish, like right here from that corner, like I said earlier. They'll be coming in close to feed, and there's lots of structure here. So, better get a glow stick on this one and hope it don't get snagged, because that would be really ideal to not get snagged. I would be really, really happy if I did not get snagged. But I have a feeling there's a lot of crap down here. There. I want a fishy to swallow that bluegill that can pull drag with my bail closed, like that 15-pounder on the Mississippi rod. Let's go make sure that my bass isn't getting eaten by a turtle. Keep forgetting about this guy. Oh, what did he get himself tangled in? Oh, man. Alright, there we go. Still alive. And I got him out of the tangle. Let's shorten his rope a little bit. I want to get my tent set up before I start messing around with dinner. I got something tugging. I don't know if the bluegill finally actually come to life. Heck, oh no. Ooh, that's not. I'm gonna have to get my kayak out there. There's nothing else I can do. It might not be a super huge fish, but it's big enough to want a live bluegill. That's for sure. Let's see what kind of trouble we can get in here. Alright, there's my line. It's not a big fish. I cannot move the snag. Holy crap. I've got a catfish on the other line. I'm going to hand line this fish. What do we got here? Holy crap. Big old drum. What a mess. There's that guy. Holy crap. You're gonna go, because I have issues. I'm just gonna have to try. And I broke it off. Well, there goes one rig. Got my lead back. Man, that sucks. Had a fish. I guess it's back to the drawing board for me. That was my bluegill. Now I got a drum. But that's always where the fish are. Right in the mess. Alright. It really sucks. I lost that whole entire double hook rig. And now that fish is swimming around with it in its mouth. Alright, round 2. Got some pretty good fillets out of it. That was probably the cleanest fillet job I've ever done, but I also had a sharp knife, so that helps. Now I just gotta wash them off. Or rinse them off, and then I'm gonna set up my stove. Rice, I have some of that. Nope, there's fish breading. Alright, let's see if the stove will light after being tipped. Yes, last year I made everything over the campfire. I could not have a hot meal without finding wood, building a fire. I mean, I loved it. But it took a lot of time because I didn't want to build a fire unless I found a camp spot. Let my rice soften up over here. I'm going to have me some fish tacos. Oh, that's like perfect. Well, even if I lost my catfish and I don't get any more, I'll at least have some good dinner. More like a midnight snack. It's got to be done. They're not fat fillets. There you have it. My rice and fish taco. Definitely glad I did this. Alright, move my baits. Now I gotta do dishes and clean up all this crap. And hope a rod goes off in the middle of it all, because that would be sweet. Well, got camp all cleaned up. That's all stuff I'm using tonight. Got my rods out. I would feel so much better about this spot if I had some panfish for bait. It really sucks just having drum. Got everything stashed away. Now I'm going to sit here and hang out for, I don't even know what time it is. It's probably close to 1 o'clock. I'm going to stay up till at least 2. Well, folks, I did not get another bite. But that's catfishing. Oh, you gotta get them skunk nights in. Those nights with just the little channels or no catfish at all. You have to put in the time, the effort, catch the bait, catch the right bait. Yep, I am going to bed. It's about 3 o'clock in the morning. Probably just after 3 o'clock in the morning. I will catch y'all on the next adventure, which will be the continuation of this trip. Peace out, y'all.